Good morning children, welcome to math class. How you all? I hope you all good. So in previous session we had completed and we had discussed about comparing numbers now children. Now everyone open studio page number 44. 3.11 Bundles of notebooks are delivered to different cities. Each bundle has a different number of notebooks. Write the correct number in each box. Okay, here what you have to do children? And here given, write the numbers in ascending order and descending order now children. So here don't write any numbers in these boxes, just leave it. And here you have to write the numbers in ascending order and descending order. So first what are the numbers given here? So read it first. 22,590, 55,768, 41,934 and 55,792. Okay, 55,792. So check it children. What means ascending order? Ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to biggest or smallest to largest. Okay. So first write the smallest number. So in these four, which one is small number children? Ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. 22,000. So this is smaller. So write 22,590 and then 41,000. This is the next smallest number, right? 41,934 and then it's 55,000 and here also 55,000. So check it children, hundreds plus 700s and 700. So hundreds also same. So how can we identify which one is smaller and which one is bigger children? So check it tens place. 6 tens and 9 tens. We know that 6 tens is smaller now children. So here 55,768 and then 55,792. Okay, here you can check children. Here I arranged these numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay, here I arranged these numbers from smallest to biggest. So this is ascending order. Okay, ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. Next, second one, write the numbers in descending order. Now how you have to write children? You have to write the numbers in descending order. So descending means arranging numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay, arranging numbers from biggest to smallest. Now in these four numbers, which one is biggest number children? So just reverse this order, will get descending order children. Okay, in the descending order, first we have to write this number and then second and third and fourth. Okay, you have to arrange like this. Descending means biggest to smallest no children. First write this number. This is the biggest number and this is the smallest number. Next, turn to next page 45. Arranging numbers in ascending order or descending order helps us compare more than two numbers. Okay, arranging numbers in ascending or descending order helps to compare more than two numbers. Now 3.12, look with it. Did you know that Bangalore has lost around 50,000 trees in recent years? Okay, Bangalore has lost around 50,000 trees in recent years. Would you like to wish to promote the planting of trees? Yes, you would like to promote the trees children. If so, how would you do it? So okay, now tell me children, how you would promote the trees? List some ways. Okay, how you would promote the trees? You have to write the some ways here. Okay, you have to list some ways here. So now write it everyone. So first one, list some here ways I given now. So here I follow this. You have to write these two ways children. So first one, I can make the young children to aware of the effects caused by deforestation. Okay, so I will follow this way children. I will I can make the young children to aware of the effects caused by deforestation. And the second one, I can ask them to water the plants daily. So no need to write same children. So what are the ways you will follow to promote the planting of trees? You have to write it. Okay, it is your wish. Next, second one. How do you take care of trees in your locality? Share with your partner. Okay, so how you will take care of the trees in your locality, children? So you have to write it. What are the ways you will follow to take care of the trees in your locality? You have to write it. So here I will. How do you take care of the trees in your locality? Is there no children? So I will follow these ways to take care of trees in my locality. So water the plants daily. So I will water the plants daily, and I will encourage people to plant more plants. Okay, I will encourage people to plant more trees. So here you have to write these two, children. Okay, it is your wish. You will follow the other rules or other ways, you have to write it. Okay, what are the ways you are following? You have to write it. Next. More or less. So study the number patterns and fill in the blanks. Okay, here given number patterns, no. So once check it, children. So first number 5527 and 5537, 5547, and remaining are the blanks. Yes, so here given blanks like this. So you have to check it, children. So first you have to check it which place of the digit is changing here. 5527, 5537, 5547. Here tens place of the digit is changing and it's increasing or decreasing. You have to check it. 2, 3, 4 means here the tens place of the digit is increasing, no children. So here you have to write the 10 more numbers. Here the number is increasing 10 no. So now here 5557. 5500. Okay, here increasing your 4 after 5 and next it's 67. 5567 and here 5577. 5587. Okay, like that you have to write, children. Okay, here the number is increasing tens. The number is increasing tens. So just you have to increase tens place of the digit. Second one, 78,686 and 78,676. 78,666. Okay, these are the three numbers given here and remaining are blanks. Okay, remaining are blanks. Here you have to write the remaining numbers, children. So what are the numbers will come here, we have to write. So check it, children. Here you have to check it which place of the digit is changing and this is increasing or decreasing. You have to check it. 78,686, 86, 76, 66. Which place of the digit is changing? Tens place of the digit is changing, children. And it's increasing or decreasing, you have to check it. 8, 7, 6. It's decreasing. Okay, it's decreasing. So now here you have to write 10 less number, children. So which number will come here? 78,000. So 600. 8, 7, 6. Now here 5 will come. 56. 78,646. 5 before 4 more. And 78,636. 78,626. Okay, 626. Like that you have to write it, children. Okay, so in the first one here the number increasing tens. Okay, here the number increasing tens, and in second pattern the number decreasing tens. Okay, the number here increases tens, increasing tens, and here decreasing tens. Here given now. We counted forwards and backwards in dash here. So here we counted forward tens and backward tens. So in this blank you have to write tens. Okay, in this blank you have to write tens. T-E-N-S, tens. Now, everyone open companion, children. Yes, open companion. Page number 23. Yes, open page number 23. Open companion page number 23, children. Arrange the following members in ascending order and descending order. So, what you have to do, children? Here you have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order and descending order. So, we have discussed about ascending order and descending order. What means ascending order? Arranging numbers from smallest to largest or biggest is ascending order. And arranging numbers from biggest to smallest is descending order. So, like that you have to complete this page, children. So, this is your homework. So, everyone complete companion page number 23 and post in Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day.